Car brands love to sell you the dream – buttons, tech, features that sound like magic. In fact, some may be more about marketing than practicality. You either forget they exist or regret paying for them. Today I will go through 7 car features that sound impressive, but in most cases they are just features. Stick around till the end, some of this will definitely surprise you. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button. First, gesture controls. You wave your hand in the air to change the sounds or a volume. Sounds futuristic, right? But in practice it's clunky. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. BMW even started to remove this feature from newer models. Honestly, touching a button is faster and it always works. Second, haptic touch buttons. Volkswagen and Peugeot looking at you. Instead of real buttons, some cars now uses touch buttons for everything. Air conditioner, volume, lights. But here is the problem. You can't feel them while driving. You have to look down. That means more distraction and more frustration. People miss knobs for a reason. They work without thinking. Number 3. Fake engine sounds. I'm sure that some owners even don't know that their cars making engine sounds through the speakers. Yes, this is real. Some sporty cars like BMW M series play fake engine sounds through the speakers. Instead of hearing the real engine, you heard the spotty audio pumped inside. The sound is fake, the emotion is fake. And if you are a car enthusiast, it feels like cheating. If the real engine doesn't sound good, don't pretend it does. Number 4. Traffic light assist. Supposed to tell you when a light turns green or what phase is ahead. Actually cool idea, but in reality it works only in a few cities. It needs constant internet connection, and guess what? Most drivers just look at the light. Reddit says it best: I know how to wait for green, thanks. Number 5. Panoramic sunroof. Look great at the photos, but as a driver you barely noticed. Unless it opens, it's just a giant piece of glass that makes the cabin hotter in summer and colder in winter. Also, more weight, more leaks, more noise. Personally, in every car I drive in, I never looked up once. I think cool for passengers, useless for the driver. Number 6. Subscription features. This one's really sneaky. Some brands already charge monthly fees for features already built into the car, like heated seats or adaptive cruise. You already paid for the hardware and now you have to rent it. BMW, Mercedes, they are testing this idea. I would say it's not just bad for your wallet, it's just wrong. Features should come with the car, not as a Netflix add-on. Number 7. Automated car parking systems. Sounds perfect, the car parks itself, but in reality, these systems are slow, picky and sometimes give up halfway. They are not great in tight spots, bad weather or unusual angles. In real life, most drivers just park manually. It's faster, safer and you stay in control. Bonus point – branded audio systems. Some cars charge money for logos. I pronounce it like Bose, Bang & Olufsen and Harman Kardon. But unless you are an audiophile, the sound difference from a regular system is often tiny. Test it before you pay. Many times it's branding, not actual better sound. Car tech is growing fast, but not every upgrade is fully baked yet. Some features need time to evolve and prove they are worth it. Don't miss out, subscribe for more.